say, hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is baby Chai, the pretty, and with her pretty dress. Yes, but di lang yon guys. We receive our deliveries from Alshaya and we will open it today. This is my surprise to my little girl. No, 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 we will open. Oh no, no. So alam nyo guys, simula nung nag-start ang pandemya, wala na kaming ibang ginawa kundi magpa-deliver lang. Kasi bawal lumabas ang mga kids. Wait lang, wait lang. What do we have here? We have, wow! Wow! Of course, don't forget the receipt. Don't worry guys. This is not as expensive as the other dresses. Okay, we will start with this one, Yowin. Because Yowin, her favorite is a pretty dress, so I bought her pretty dress. Yowin, my surprise to you. Wala lang po siyang pakialam. Ang hirap niya hirap na ito. Hi! It's pretty! See guys, this is from Mothercare. You know how much is this one? Only 25 reals. See? Before price is 50 reals. See? So, nakatipid na tayo guys. So, 1-0. Pretty dress. There's one more, Yowin. You open this one. Dali. I'll show them. What is this? Wow! Do you like the yellow dress? Sorry guys. I bought a little big one because the baby is big. See? These cost only 25 reals again. Before it is 50 reals. So, nakatipid tayo. Hi, this one's pretty. This is a pretty dress, yellow one. This cost, of course, 25 reals. See, before 50 reals. Thank you, Mothercare, for your promotion. Mothercare. This one is pretty. This one, I like the color pink. Wow! See guys, sa lahat na pinakita ko, ito lang ang gusto niya. Ito lang pinuhin niya, so siya lang ang gusto niya. How much this one, Yowin? This cost only 25 reals also. See? Guys, not bad. Not bad. Okay? Not bad. But I hope it's only cost 20 reals. Yowin, where are you? No. She's getting lost. This is pretty one also, guys. See? Oh. This is 9 to 10. And it costs only 25 reals. See, but the original price is 50. Oh, see? Yes. This one also is nice. Yowin, I know you like this one. Come here. Come here, Yowin. Chai, come here, anak. Chai, see? Chai, see? Oh, this one. Ay, naku. Di niya gusto. This is 25 reals. See? Pretty ones. Oh, see? See, Yowin, look. You like it? Oh, she likes it because she touched it. There's one more. This one's color blue. You know, alam nyo ba mga kachay? Itong si Bochay. Gusto niya ang mga floral. Mana siya kay Lola Luz. Kasi lola siya. Siyempre, di ba? Ang ganda. Kung nagtataka kayo, malalaki na binili ko. Kasi malaki na po talaga siya. See? 25 reals din. Yay! And of course, I bought her panty. You like this panty, Yowin? See, open it. It's heart shape. Come on. Wow! See, see, see? Yowin, see, see? May suot mo, dali. Maganda siya. Maganda ang tela. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 25 reals. For 55 reals. Guys, I hope you like our vlog today.
Buy ka na, buy ka na.
All this thing cost only 195. Amazing, huh? Amazing, guys. See you, guys. Winner. Winner. But where is Bochay? Say bye-bye na, Bochay. Bye-bye. See you next time. Subscribe.